Hello, in this WordPress tutorial, I will guide you on how to write a blog post, remove a single and multiple posts in WordPress. My name is Isaac from StormerHost. Let's get started. Let's begin with how to write a blog in WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Under the dashboard menu, hover your mouse on Post and then click on Add New. Enter Hello World in the title box and write your blog post. Now scroll up and find Publish. Then click it. Congratulations, you have added a blog post to your WordPress page. Now, how to remove a blog post in WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Under the dashboard menu, hover your mouse on Post and then click on All Posts. Choose the post you wish to remove and then the trash option will appear. Click it. You will get a success message as one post removed to the trash. Finally, how to remove multiple posts with a single click in WordPress. It is possible to remove multiple posts in your WordPress dashboard. You can also delete selected posts with just a few clicks. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Under the dashboard menu, hover your mouse over Posts and click on All Posts. Click on Bulk Action and select Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. Now, tick mark the top checkbox and all checkboxes will be automatically selected. Then click on Apply. It's done. Your post is removed and no longer available for public view. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.